If for some reason the labels have been removed or are missing, each pedal is also labeled with an R and an L by the pedal threads. Installing pedals on the spin bike is a very important step. It's our requirement that you use a Park Tool PW3 commercial pedal wrench to get the proper torque. We also require that you use blue Loctite on the pedal threads, again to help you get proper torque and so the pedals do not back off. After applying blue Loctite, using the 15mm side of the wrench, attach the pedals. Removing the seat post will help you get better leverage when tightening.